Junior MPBL 2025 to 2026 Season 3 Under-18 National Finals Champion. Macabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors between Palawan Uric Builders. Andre Ugadan Finals MVP. Let's watch the full highlights.
It would be Dulanas securing it.
Bounce back from yesterday's game. That's the way to do it.
Speaking of staying hot, is Sean Howe had 3 3-pointers in game number 1. Knocking down his backs. The defense of Rosales finishes with his left. 5-0 start para sa San Juan.
Another strong start para dito sa San Juan.
Oh, the first field goal para sa Palawan Uric Builders. Kurt Velasquez. And then Rosales on the attack. Excellent feed. That's Guard Dulanas getting his first 2 of the game.
And this is something Palawan could really do.
20 points a ball game here in Season 3, but just had 3 points in that game number 1 loss. Great execution of that baseline. Inbound Guard Dulanas has pasok na rin para sa Uric Builders. Takes it all the way for 2.
That's a great attack by
Projection there para kay Ram Sharma. Nonato beating Ugadan through the middle for the lefty layup.
Well, that's the Macabagong San Juan that we know. Starting it off.
Osa, straight away 3. Knocks down the triple, the second of the ball game para sa Macabagong San Juan.
Great recognition.
Last shot time if they wish to. Short stab para kay Corpuz. Cuts the lead down to 1.
But I was about to say na
This is the defending champion.
your Macabagong San Juan, if it's working for you, if it worked for you yesterday, you don't have to change it. And that's what you're doing right now. Stoppable every time.
Gutierrez, also one of their key scorers, especially in that series against
Boost kasi itong San Juan, they're denying him so walang i-help pag doon ka umatake. As we see that jumper by Ugadan, so how do you stop this guy?
once again 20-15. La Rosa open once again. ADM La Rosa feeling it. Wala pang nahuhulog, Renzo.
Well, obviously struggling with the way Macabagong San Juan. As we see that 3-pointer by Howe, kung gaano kahirap si side ng Palawan.
Pointer in this game. Dulanas finally able to break the drought para sa Palawan.
Hudas ng 3-pointer para sa kanila.
Ronaldo though will answer with that elbow jumper. Just so smooth itong si Dwayne. This is Dulanas once again. This time scores underneath.
That's a great pass galing dito kay
Stolen. Howe. Another triple para kay Sean Howe. His third of the ball game just before the shot clock expired. Lead up to... It's the presence of mind, understanding halos wala ng oras on their shot clock.
Pero pag timeout, nag-turnover naman. So, I don't think so. And another breakdown on defense and off.
Goes to Corpuz. Another 3. Second of the ball game para sa Palawan. Mapapailing na nga lang si Jim Corpuz. Kanina pa nila inahan. Now La Rosa. Keyhole jumper. Knocks down another ADM. What a first half. Itong 3-point shooting so far.
Again, if you're Rosales.
La Rosa pulls up. Another jumper will fall para kay ADM La Rosa. All the confidence in the world.
This guy has been for Macabagong San Juan. As you see that 3-pointer by Jim Corpuz, that's the answer for that mid-range.
Hands it off to Nonato. Ugadan will try for 3. And it knocks it down. Andre Ugadan showing us the range.
And Andre
1 to 33. La Rosa na naman. Another triple. ADM La Rosa has 17.
and issue na rin talaga for Palawan kasi with the way San Juan is playing defense against them. As you see this layup galing dito kay Sharma. So, yun yung sa San Juan ng mga puntos.
Velasquez finally will answer para sa Palawan Uric Builders. They're still down ng Palawan Uric Builders as they are now down by 12 after that basket from Jim Corpuz.
Well, you're the defending.
To track it down was Ignacio. Dulanas sidestepping his way through for 2.
Might have gotten away with the walk as guard Dulanas, but none.
This time, drop it off. Dulanas underneath. Gets his own version of an end one.
And again, when
Dulanas completes the 3. Velasquez holds up. Soft touch para kay Kurt.
and again, yung mid-range na yan, range jumper, it's either you challenge the 3 or you challenge the drive. So yung mid-range jumper, medyo may loophole dyan as you see this 3-pointer by Andre Ugadan. Again, be consistent on those shots, makakahabol sila dito.
Dalo, knocking down the triple. Sagutan ng parehong komandan dito. Lead. How naman, he will be fouled. Nondalo. Caught hitting the shooting arm.
The way he shoots that ball din kasi pa-forward.
Here in game number 2 as well. Just a dead-eye shooter.
Whatever's happening there, once he gets that basketball, he's just looking.
Zamoras back to Velasquez. Solanas asking for it. They set up Nodalo for another triple. James Nodalo. 2 big threes here in the third.
And that's a great.
Seconds on the shot clock para sa San Juan. Sharma gets it off the window for 2.
And this guy,
52. Trying to shadow Andre. Series of moves and gets it to trickle in. Andre Ugadan.
and after turning the ball over,
59 to 52. Velasquez will escape once again.
and I think for the rest of this
Ito na yung panira na para kay Louie Rosales. And speaking of panira, La Rosa! Tuloy ang aboy para kay Adrian. Now it's 23.
and this is a guy who's not gonna pass three-pointer versus makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors.
Louie Rosales finally knocking down a triple. Just Nodalo steps back for another triple. Knocks down another. James Nodalo unconscious.
Three-pointer.
That's 14 now for Nodalo, but Nonato will answer para San Juan.
Really not the shot na nag-work for Velasquez eh.
Andre Ugadan calling his own number. Walking down Corpus on that spot. Absalito
Rosales, I think wala sa posisyon eh.
Ugadan aggressive to the hoop. Draws the foul against Jim Corpus.
Last several minutes for this ball game. Andre, bit ang lahat ng kanyang pinagdaanan at motibasyon para lumaban. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Danay, and right on cue, knocking both shots.
Again, with the defense right in front of you, and these are the consequences if you take a bad shot or you commit a turnover.
Set. Rosales setting up Corpus. Corner three. Short. Rebound. Rosales. And he will be fouled, and that will mean free throws. Or not. Let me go now. Just 5.8 remaining sa shot clock para sa Palawan New Rich Builders. Rosales trying to fish for that foul. Missing on the 3-point attempt. Gonzalito with a rebound. Palawan has to foul. Gadan. It's Yuto. Short of the layup. Just 7 seconds remaining though. Abante pa rin ng 6 ang San Juan. Corpus! Making it interesting. Knocks down the triple with just Gadan, How, Sharma, and Nonato with him. La Rosa looking for a friend. Able to find Ugadan, and there's the foul.
Instead, he's the biggest performer. The composure of Andre Ugadan. Kaya nang sabi mo kanina, after that big run by Palawan New Rich Builders,
Trying to go for that alley-oop, but it is Andre Ugadan getting another stop. The confetti is out, and we will be clowning. Time to show up para kay Andre Ugadan. Not
MVP trophy. Andre, tanong ko lang sa'yo, kanina nakausap kita during the early fourth quarter. Ang sinabi mo lang sa akin is kailangan